Hi, good morning. This is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. We are here in Manhattan Beach this morning where we've installed one of our Majestec invisible security screens. Our homeowner here, like many homeowners in Manhattan Beach, has an alarm system, which are great and they serve their purpose, but our client here wanted to add one extra layer of security to this bathroom window that they felt might be vulnerable to somebody getting into their home. So they had a casement style window which will open up here, open up the window, close our casement screen, lock the handle, and now they can get ventilation into this bathroom, let the steam out, let fresh air in, and they're still secure from an intruder coming in. Our screens are designed to keep someone from getting into your home in the first place. You can see they look much like regular insect mesh. You can see straight through them, still outward to the outside, instead of unlike unsightly bars and grills. That's why we call these invisible security screens. But if we take a close look, this is our high purity stainless steel marine grade security mesh, which can't be cut with a knife or broken free from its frame. Typically the screen goes on the exterior of the home, but again in this instance they had a casement window that swings out, so we had to install a casement screen on the interior. Thanks for joining us today. Again, this is Jason with Majestec Security Screens here in Manhattan Beach. If you have any questions, please give us a call or check us out on the web. I'm sure we'll talk to you real soon.